Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Blink Outdoor 4 not working, how to fix. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video. If your outdoor is offline, your camera's thumbnail will be dim out of the message camera is offline. This can often be resolved by removing your batteries from the camera for 5 seconds and then reinserting them. If your battery no longer have a charge, you will need to replace them. Other ways to get your outdoor 4 back online include checking your Wi-Fi and sync module signal strength connections to your camera. So this is the first thing you need to try is to replace the battery of your Blink camera. And the another thing you need to try is to reset your camera. For that, you will need to open the cover which is on the back of the camera. When you open the cover and remove the cover which is on the back of the camera, then you will see these type of ports. Here you will see the reset button. This is the reset button which is on the back of your camera. Simply press and hold the reset button about 15 to 20 seconds. When you press and hold the reset button about 15 to 20 seconds, after your camera will be resetted and hopefully your problem will be fixed after that. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.